Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. A large scavenging bird known for its bald head and keen sense of smell. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as vulture, vulture, vulture. Vultures feeds on dead animals and can soar for hours due to their impressive wingspan. Their highly acidic stomachs enable them to digest decomposing matter safely, preventing the spread of diseases. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about vultures, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.